Your car hesitates when you press on the gas. And it's not the engine. You pay for a new car, a new tune, or maybe even a better engine. You expect to feel it, but instead there's this weird hesitation every time you push the pedal. You think to yourself, is there something wrong with the car? Or maybe, did I do something wrong? Nope, nothing is wrong with the car. And no, you didn't do anything wrong either. The car is that way because they were made that way on purpose. Modern cars don't have a physical cable connecting to your foot to the engine anymore. Instead, there's this digital signal, you may have heard it, drive-by-wire. Car manufacturers use this drive-by-wire system to program a delay into the pedal signal. This is so manufacturers abide by emissions ratings, fuel economy numbers, and so on. They tune their cars conservatively on purpose. So you might be thinking, get an engine swap, get a tune, add more horsepower. These might give your car more power, make it drive faster, but you'll still have that delay from the drive-by-wire. What you want is a fix for how the signal fires, something that sits right between the pedal and the ECU to tighten that response. No engine modifications, no tune, just a fix to the signal. So, how do we fix that? With this. This is Shiftpower. Plugs directly into the acceleration pedal, plug and play. With this, you can say goodbye to the delay from drive-by-wire and really feel what your car was meant to feel like. Using Shiftpower, you have so much customizability to make your driving experience better. Different driving presets from dynamic, sport, super sport, and race. Now you can control how much throttle response you want from your car. And if you're in a pinch for gas, especially when gas prices get so pricey, there's an eco mode that makes the throttle body open more efficiently, allowing you to save on fuel mileage. If you're also concerned about the safety of your vehicle when you're on a round, Shiftpower has you covered. Valet Mode allows you to control the maximum throttle your car is allowed to prevent any drivers from flooring the pedal. You've heard all the stories about valet drivers taking cars going for joyride, leading to less gas in the tank, or even damage to your car. This prevents exactly that. Then there's Throttle Lock Mode. It acts as an immobilizer that locks the throttle body from ever opening, even with the acceleration pressed all the way down. This is perfect for preventing thieves from stealing your car while you're not looking. All these features are available to be used with a press of a button or using its dedicated mobile app. The app shows you all these features in action so you can really see the difference that it's making for your car. And these features all come with Shiftpower at no cost. No extra charge, no subscriptions, all free. We had thousands of people tell us that Shiftpower has been a game changer for their car, whether it's improving the performance of their vehicles, gaining up to 10 miles per gallon when using eco mode, or even saving them thousands of dollars by preventing their car from being stolen. Shiftpower is compatible with thousands of vehicles and even compatible with some vehicles that date back to 2002. It is such a quality of life improvement to the driving experience that it's possible for us to not recommend you purchasing. Readily available on our website. If you have any questions, email us or even put a comment down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you guys in the next video.